soul reset. This is your space to pause, to breathe, and to come back to yourself. Before we begin, take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position. Let your shoulders drop. Let your hands rest gently. And if it feels right, go ahead and close your eyes. Just listen. So, what is meditation? Meditation is simply the practice of being present. It's not about stopping your thoughts. It's not about doing anything perfectly. It's about noticing. Noticing your breath. Your body. Your thoughts. And letting them be. No judgment. No pressure. Just awareness. In our busy lives, we often forget to pause. We rush, we react, we overthink. Meditation gives us a moment to slow down. To breathe. To reset. Even one breath can bring you back to yourself. Let's try it together. Take a slow breath in. Hold it gently. Now exhale slowly. Feel your body soften. Feel your mind begin to settle. You don't need silence. You don't need a special place. You just need a few minutes and the willingness to pause. Meditation can happen anywhere. At home. In nature. busy day. It's your way of saying, I'm here, I'm listening now. Gently notice your body. Notice your feet on the ground. Notice your breath moving in and out. Notice the space around you. There's nothing to fix. Nothing to change. Just notice. Just be. If thoughts come up, that's okay. Let them pass. Like clouds in the sky. You don't have to follow them. Just return to your breath. This is meditation. A moment of peace. A reset for your soul. You've already begun. You're already doing it. Stay here as long as you like. When you're ready, join us for the next step in your journey. Welcome to Soul Reset.